welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing the last look of Beauty Mix in 2019. I'm so excited for 2019 but also sad because Christmas is now over and the holidays are over. But 2019, I just cannot wait to see what is in store. I have lots of stuff planned for the new year and I just cannot wait to share them with you guys. But before we jump into this look, I do want to thank all of you guys who have followed along throughout this whole year, and any new subscribers that I've gained over this past year, welcome, and I'm so happy to have you guys. Every single one of you, I just want to reach through and give you like a big hug and just let you know how grateful I am for you. So before I get too emotional, let's jump right into this New Year's Eve look. Okay, so I have most of my face done because we're mostly going to be focusing on the eyes, and I do have my brows done as well, and my eyelids are primed. So I'm going to zoom you guys in and get real close in the eyes. So I recently purchased these L'Oreal Magic Pigments. This is in the shade Attitude number 454, and it's a powder that once you press your finger into it and put it on your skin, it turns into a cream. It's really neat. So I really want to play with that today. And then I also have this Stila Diamond Dust that I used last year. I'll show you what this looks like. It's kind of got flecks of gold and silver in it. So I'm thinking we're going to do a smoky eye with that on the lid. So we're going to use the Morphe 25B palette, and I'm going to focus on like these darker shades here for this smoky eye. We're going to start as a transition with the Morphe M518 brush with this shade here. I should probably tell you guys about my eyelashes. So I have like no eyelash extensions left. I picked a lot of them off, but then a lot of them fell off too, and there's just like a lot of glue on there that I'm just gonna give them a little bit of a break until I go on my next trip, which will be February, I think. So yeah, they look a little crazy right now, but we're gonna fix that later with false lashes. So I'm just placing this all over the lid. So any kind of like brown neutral shade would work. And I kind of go up towards the brow on both sides. Then using a little bit more of a tapered brush, this is the Morphe M433. We're gonna start to build up that smoky eye. So again, focusing like kind of in this area. I think I'm gonna start with this guy here. And very light-handed. Starting in the outer V. Just making sure to blend it all in. And then we're going to go in with a little bit of a darker shade. So we're going to go in with this guy down here. It's just more on the tip of the brush and really in that outer V area. And then as soon as you're kind of out of product, then you can start to kind of blend into those other shades. Okay, so for these pigments, it says you can use a brush or a finger, but I like to use my finger. And I just tested it on my hand, and that pigment goes right over top, so you don't need to do any kind of cut crease or anything like that. If you see this is like way darker here than this eye too, that shouldn't matter. So I'm just gonna go in with my little powder. So I just poured it out onto a little piece of paper here. And then I'm gonna dip my ring finger in because that one has the softest touch. Then we're gonna pack it on the lid. Oh yeah. See that? Oh, I like this. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a brush and clean it up because it's kind of hard to do with a finger to get like a nice line. So weird that it turns to a cream though. It's okay to go in that inner corner too, because you will want like a lot of glitter in that. So you can kind of be messy with it. I'm kind of getting it all over, and that's how it's going to be. Alright, then I'm going to go back in with this M433 brush and a mix of those two brown shades, and we're just going to go on the outer V and kind of blend it. Looks like this is pretty buildable too, so you can go back in and add more powder that turns to cream. The only thing with this is that I don't think you're going to get a very sharp line if that's what you're looking for with these pigments, because they turn to a cream. Alright, so what I've learned with this Stila glitter is that it's really hard to do liquid liner over or gel liner over top of the glitter, because it ends up just getting like caught on the glitter and not as smooth. So I'm going to try it over this pigment and see how that goes, and then we can put the glitter over top and fix as necessary there. I feel like that'll be easier. So let's try it out. So I'm going to use my Urban Decay Perversion liner. I love this stuff. Okay, I think I really like this, so what I'm going to do right now is finish the under eyes, and then I'll add the glitter. So for the under eyes, I wanted to use this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Liner. This is in the shade Overdrive. This is pretty like emerald green. So I'm going to put that underneath. And it doesn't have to be precise, just kind of all over, like towards the middle, or from the middle over, and then we'll blend it. Okay, then taking like a flat definer brush, we're gonna go in and just kind of blend that out. Then we're gonna take on this M433 brush, and we're gonna buff that out with this shade. Then we're using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Longwear Eye Pencil in the shade Nude. So I'm just doing a waterline. If you have larger eyes, unlike me, you can like put a dark liner in there, but I need all of the wide-eyed looks as possible. Alright, so this could be a look right here, but I'm gonna add that glitter. This is the Glitter and Glow Diamond Liquid Eyeshadow. Diamond Dust is the shade. And this one, the applicator can just go right on your eyes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna use a brush so I don't mess this guy up. Just kind of spread it. Try not to get on the liner. And you don't want a thick layer of this because a little goes a long way. I'm gonna let it dry before doing the next one. Alright, I'm gonna pop some lashes on before finishing the face. These are my favorite from Velour. They are the mink lashes in, I never remember which, oh, Sinful. So Sinful. And then I use my Duo glue here. I just ordered some new velour lashes from Sephora because I got a gift card for Christmas. I'm so excited. Okay, for lips, I'm going to use my Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Stone. I think the green on the under eye with these purple undertones are going to go great together. I just purchased some new lipsticks from Sephora, so I will have some variety, but these are just like my go-to favorites. It's always Joseph Colors. Stone or Truffle are like my absolute favorites, but I've been using a lot of Joseph Colors lately, so I did change it up. I ordered some Stila liquid lipsticks, so hopefully I like them. Last step is going to be to lock all of this in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I'm almost out of this. I'm gonna have to get some more. And yeah, that completes the look. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and hope you all have a happy and safe new year and happy holidays. Bye guys.